Good morning, it's Sylviane. I'm a mom, wife, friend, and dairy farmer. And welcome to our farm on a Saturday afternoon. Well, right now, we're at the heifer barn, which you'll be seeing in a couple seconds. And we've cleaned up the bottom alley, and we're putting some bedding for our heifers. Take a look. JP will be coming back with the tractor in a couple minutes. He's gone to go get the bedding, but I'll show you a bit around while we're waiting. Take a look. These are the young ones. And we've got our beautiful heifers. Right now, they're busy eating. Some may notice some of the cows are eating different things. Some are eating silage and some are eating dry hay. And if you see in the back there, behind the heifers is an actual bedding pack. And JP will be coming back in a couple minutes with a tractor load of sawdust, which we get from Northern Ontario. Aren't these gorgeous? JP's on his way. As you can see, the tractor coming into the heifer barn right now. He's got a full bucket. And down it goes, making sure that the heifers are all dry. And right now, riding in the tractor is David, our 4-year-old, and JP, the friendly farmer from the north. The gates between the heifers and the bedding pack are actually closed to make sure that no animals get hurt while this is being done. We wouldn't want the tractor to step on cows' feet, or even worse, run over a little calf. Now he's going to be taking the bucket and spreading it evenly. And that's how it's done. If we walk a little bit further, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see where JP actually goes and gets the wood dust, the sawdust. We actually store it in the Quonset. And then at other times of the year, it's not sawdust that we put. See, the Quonset is over there. And at the beginning of the Quonset, that's where we put the sawdust at this time of the year, because there's no bales in the Quonset at this time of the year, or barely any anyways. We've got a cat. I'm not sure if you can see, there's a cat walking along there. So JP's gonna go get another load. And we'll try to make him stop so you guys can see what we're actually putting on the bedding pack. So at this time of the year here in Northern Ontario, it's quite wet still. We haven't gone into the fields. We're hopefully we'll be spreading manure in the next week or two as soon as the fields dry up a little bit more. See, JP has gotten his load of sawdust and is coming back. As you can see, it's really, really, really wet here this year. We've gotten close to 2 to 3 inches of rain a couple of days ago. It was coming along quite nicely, but Mother Nature decided to send us some more rain. So we'll see if JP actually stops for us so I can show you what the sawdust is a little bit closer. We get that delivered to our farm by transport load, and it costs us about, well, with taxes and whatnot, close to $1,600, and lasts, I would say, a good 2 months, give or take. As you can see, this is the sawdust. It's really small shavings of wood. And that's what it is, folks. So JP is going to be going back. Not sure if you guys can see quite because of the sun and whatnot, but so JP is putting the sawdust on the bedding pack. Make sure we're not in his way. Very dangerous. And we're gonna say goodbye. All right. Well, thanks for popping in today. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and you know what? Ask a question or leave a comment. Have yourselves a great Mother's Day weekend. Enjoy the sun and enjoy your loved ones. Take care.